1. Hey plant lovers. Today, I'm going to share the ultimate potting mix for your Aroids that will help them thrive and look lush and healthy all year round. Whether you have a monstera, philodendron, or anthurium, this mix will make your plants flourish. 2. For those who are new to Aroids, they are tropical plants known for their stunning leaves and unique growth habits. These plants love well-draining soil and high humidity, which is why the potting mix is crucial to their health. 3. Aroids are tropical plants that naturally grow in environments with loose, airy soil that drains quickly. In regular potting soil, their roots can easily become waterlogged, leading to root rot. That's why getting the right mix is key to ensuring your Aroids stay happy. 4. Here's what you'll need for the perfect Aroid potting mix: rice husk. This adds aeration and helps prevent the soil from becoming compacted, allowing roots to breathe. Cocoa chips or coco peat retains moisture but keeps it evenly distributed, which is essential for Aroids that like to stay moist without sitting in water. Charcoal piece mimics the natural forest flow, adds drainage, and keeps the mix chunky so water can flow through freely. Compost or worm castings provides organic nutrients to keep your plants healthy and growing strong. 5. To mix your Aroid potting soil, take 2 parts cocoa chips or coco peat, 1 part rice husk, 1 part charcoal piece, a handful of compost or worm castings. Mix them all together until evenly distributed. You'll want the mix to feel light and airy, not heavy or dense. 6. Now that we have the perfect mix, it's time to pot your Aroid. Make sure you choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from getting trapped at the bottom. Gently place your Aroid in the pot, filling in with the new mix around the roots, and press lightly to secure it. 7. A few tips to keep in mind. Water your Aroids when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. Mist them occasionally to keep the humidity up. Place them in bright, indirect light to mimic their natural environment. 8. And there you have it, the perfect potting mix for your Aroids. Your plants will thank you with lush, vibrant growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more plant care tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy planting!